These people are hostile. They are ready to kill. Gotta be careful. We have to travel to Via Corolla, and then we have to use the drawing. Okay. There are drawings, location, right here.
Scanning the area.
You do not see anything. You do not see anything.
Who's there? What was that?
They are shooting. They are shooting. Okay.
Who's sneaking around?
I fucking missed. Oh my god!
People go, please, waste you.
Alright. Oh my god.
Fight back! Fight back! Fight back!
Okay, so after a quick switch of rooms, we're back in. For any questions asked, I did not break anything. I'm just joking, nothing was broken. I just hit a cord that made a really loud noise and then amplified with the sound of that glass breaking. That is what happened. You heard it here, folks. Bring it up and down. The reason I thought I broke it was because the light turned off and I lost tracking of my VR. It made me so mad. I was like, dude, I broke my fucking ceiling fan, dude. I was literally like, my mom's gonna kick my ass. We're in the clear though. Alright, well. Ooh, headphones. I could listen to my newest single. And you guys should too. Link in description. Alright. It's now or never.
I see you.
Hang around too long.
Who's sneaking?
Let's take this down.
Run, 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 run. Have an idea?
Brad must have crawled back.
Shit's gonna die, ass.
Around here.
Let's take this asshole down.
I'm in their house. Never mind.
Scanning the area.
Who's there?
Okay. I bet you. Let's go, baby. It's too easy. Dude, hold on. Let's check the game mechanics real quick. Let's check the game mechanics.
Heard something.
Come on. Oh my god. Game of the year right here, guys. Game of the fucking year.
People gonna be when I waste you. You can't hide forever. Too many.
What was that?
As soon as she turned this corner, shooting her bitch ass. I see her. W. Actually goated. Can I get the shot off? actually goated? I'm too good. Okay, I'm down low. Down low to the flow. Night place. Night place. Night place. Fuck!
Embarrassing!
I have one question to ask you, Slayer. What's the name of the VR company owned by the Lizard Man?
It's Meta Hellboy.
Meta mis huevos en tu boca.
We got one in the chamber. Alright, we're gonna make this easy. Easy work. Just put her down. All you have to do, Luis. All you have to do is put her down. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. We're here for what we came for. Save for the
May
journal?
Benoit has the waterfall. Find her. Get it. No reserve without it, understand? Mama's through fucking around with this. Snag Umbra if you have to. Can use the fucking brat as trade bait. This must happen. Going to have to expand this list otherwise. Georgia.
Open. Deposit intel into the coffin. Okay. Intel. Coffin. Alright. That was... Oh, not you, Judge. That was the tomb and the tower. Pass the time until the lantern is lit. Alright. Looks like we just get to chill. Alright, I guess that's it. I might as well just close the video out for now. I'll see y'all next time. Hope you're liking the series. Peace.